Namaste, मेरा नाम ईशान चाड़े है. I am the managing director of Swed Renewables Limited. So today we are launching our battery energy storage system of 216 kilowatt hour by 125 kilowatt. So let me show you what this big thing is all about. So starting with the front face, so you can see this interesting thing. So basically these are the pressure vents. So whenever there is a huge pressure inside, then this vent automatically opens up to release the pressure. Now going inside, you can see the main thing, which are the batteries. So basically these are 5 battery packs. Each battery pack consists of 3.2 volt 314 ampere hour 52 cells in series. So these 5 packs are also in series, making the total number to 260 cells of 3.2 volt 314 hours. So the total calculation will be 261 kilowatt hour. Now going ahead, you can see this black pipes. So this is a liquid cooled बेस, ये लिक्विड कूलिंग पैड्स है, एज वेल एज इसमें हीटिंग भी है. समझो टेम्परेचर बहुत कम जाता है, लाइक माइनस में जाता है, तो ये बैटरी को नीचे से हीट भी करेगा, और समझो टेम्परेचर अगर ज्यादा जाता है तो ये बैटरी को कूल भी कर लेता है. So this is a liquid cooling system as well as equipped with the heating pad. Also along with that, we have also got the fire sensors over here as well as the humidity controller over here. So this is a all-in-one self-contained unit. You don't need to have external atmospheric controls to it or the fire extinguisher things. So this base itself contains all the liquid cooling as well as the fire extinguishing as well as the humidity controls. Now after the battery, the main thing which converts the batteries into the AC power as well as turns the AC power into the DC power to charge battery is called as a PCS. PCS means power conversion system. So basically this system, it is a heart of the whole thing. It converts your DC from the batteries into the usable AC as well as the AC into the DC to charge the batteries. Now on top of that, we can see here, so this is a air cooled chiller. So there is a ethylene glycol inside it. So that's why this is called as a liquid cooled system. इसके जो नीचे जो है उसको BMU बोलते हैं, बैटरी मैनेजमेंट यूनिट. दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ बिग ब्रेन ऑफ द थिंग. अभी ये जो BMU है, ये BMU इज अटैच्ड टू दिस बैटरी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. सो दिस आर द माइक्रो ब्रेन्स ऑफ एवरी पैक, और ये पैक आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय दिस बैटरी मैनेजमेंट यूनिट. अभी इसका जो आउटपुट है ये यहाँ से निकल के ये इस साइड जो लगा हुआ है, दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड एज स्टैटिक ट्रांसफर स्विच. तो ये STS में जाता है. अभी अगर हम STS में देखें, so on this side we connect the grid supply, on this side we can connect the DG supply. From the back side of the energy storage system unit, we have got the connection which are connected over here, and our load is connected on the bottom of this thing. So the output of this is 125 kilowatt and the storage capacity is 216 kilowatt hour. So this is a grid forming base. That means even during the power outages, you can synchronize this base with your diesel generators. So in market there are 2 types of base. The one is the grid following base, where the base only charge and discharge whenever there is a grid, and if the grid is off, then at that time that kind of the grid following base don't work. But this base is a grid forming base where you can synchronize this whole thing with your DG, and it can act as a backup to your load, or this can also replace your diesel generators and give you enormous saving. Currently the payback for the whole thing is less than 5 years for an industrial thing, and for a commercial the payback is less than 3 years. So this is an amazing product. The life of the cells is 8,000 cycle. That means if for a everyday charge discharge, this can last long for more than 22 years. And the whole thing is been warranted for 10 comprehensive years. So you get a 10 years comprehensive warranty for the whole thing. Payback is 5 years. For industrial, for commercial, the payback is less than 3 years. Amazing, fantastic product. Everyone should go for it. Go for the energy independence. Let us know if you have any kind of requirement. Thank you.